side, we have written conductivity tester with a light along 2 wires. Now we will attach the battery connector. This. Now, if we keep this on any metal, the light will glow. So we can test that the metal is it pure metal or not, and also this can be used for children studying 5th, 6th standard to find that which things conduct and which things insulate. So now this is a paper. As I am keeping the wires on the paper, the light is not glowing, means paper is not a conductor. Now this is a metal coin, and I have kept both the wire, and you can see the light is glowing, means that the light is going, means that this coin is of metal, and also the metal of which this coin is made is a conductor of electricity. Now this is a bottle, and as I am keeping both the wires on this bottle, the light is glowing, means that the bottle is a conductor, and this is made of pure steel, means that steel is conductor of electricity. So this was our today's craft on conductivity tester, which is helpful to find pure metals, and also this can help for finding which objects are conductor and which are insulator. Bye and thank you.